Hey guys, it's Phil from Aussie Garage. I'm here with Ron. So Ron, tell us about this beautiful ride, mate.
I've got a 69 Mach 1 Mustang. There's only 3 in the world that have been optioned this way.
Awesome.
It won gold in America in 2010 at one of the concourse shows.
Oh, perfect. Yep.
It's only 3 cars were optioned this way.
Yep.
There was apparently there's still, I think the other 2 are still in America. I know one is, but there's this is the only one outside of America that's here.
Oh wow! So how long have you owned this one for?
Oh, about 10 years.
Oh wow! Okay, so you've had it a while then.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's a good drive. It's been optioned out a bit on the motor. It's got more torque than the standard 390. It's got a GTA race cam in it. It's got solid lifters, bigger carby setup. So it's got a lot more torque than the standard 390.
Oh, perfect. So you bought it in this state? You haven't done anything to it at all?
No, that's as off the floor.
Perfect. Yeah. This looks amazing. Like the colour on this is still perfect.
I'll just get you something and show you. You'll be very
yeah. No drama.
When you bought a Mustang in America,
yep,
and had an 8-track in it, they gave you a free sample of an 8-track.
Yep.
For the car.
Yep, perfect.
And it still hasn't been opened.
Oh, that's awesome. Like, you don't see those anymore. People just throw them out, eh? People just throw them out.
So that's the original 8-track from Ford Motor Company in '69.
Oh, wicked. Yeah, not a drama. So, like, what else have you taken this to shows or anything like that? Yep.
Yes.
How do you do, mate?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does well. It's a lot of people are interested. I think the colour draws the people to the car.
Yeah. What colour is it?
Gulfstream Aqua.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a very nice colour.
Yeah. Today it's not as bright because it's got a silver fleck in it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So today, because it's overcast, it doesn't really show the true colour of the car. It's been a good drive. I've had no problems with it.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, it's been only thing that's really been done to it is the shocks at the back were a bit soft, a bit bouncy when they come out of America. So just changed tightened up the shocks at the back.
Yeah, yep.
And that's about it.
Yeah. That's all you've had to do to it. That's perfect. It's done well, considering most of them, like, there's a lot of stuff that has to be done to them all the time.
Oh, it's been checked underneath. There was a little bit of surface rust from there, but it's been all cleaned out. It's all been recoated underneath, and all the wire, everything's been tucked up and everything's tidy underneath of it now. So
yeah, not a problem.
A lot of people spend a lot of money on the top and nothing on the bottom, and that's how they lose their cars. So
that's it.
So you've got to spend a bit of money on you.
Perfect. So what kind of trans is you running?
C6.
C6. Awesome.
Yeah.
That definitely gives it a lot more torque to bloody pull this kind of motor.
You're a car man.
Yeah, yep.
But you know the gaps, because see, all the gaps are out on this car because it's all original.
Yeah, yep.
So you know, like you've got gaps all over the place on this thing, and when you shut the bonnet, you shut the boot. See this? See when you look at the boot, see this? So that's tight there. That's out there. Everything's out on these things.
Yeah, well, that's just it. Once you do the restoration on these things, like the gaps are perfect, but otherwise from the factory it was just, that was it.
They were just bolted together.
Yep.
By hand,
Yep, however they wanted it, man.
Yep, so this is just the, this is why it's got all the gaps all over the place that are strange.
But, yeah, this is wicked.
So it's a nice drive, comfortable. It's got power steering.
Sheesh, easy.
It's got disc brakes, automatic, so it's just like a cruise.
Yeah, and that's what you want.
Yeah,
that's exactly what you want.
Yeah, just an easy drive.
Perfect, mate.
You keep your foot off the fuel, off the pedal, and it doesn't cost you much to run.
Yeah. As they do get thirsty. So,
yeah, the 390s get thirsty. So and they're I've got a good mechanic because you need a good mechanic with the big blocks, because they're a very highly tuned motor, and they've got to be. If you haven't got the right person doing it, I've had it other people before, and they just never got it right.
Well, the problem is with these older engines, it's a dying art, and a lot of people don't know how to work on them. We've had a couple of people within our club that have taken their cars to mechanics, and they've ended up screwing the carburetor up so bad it ended up screwing the motor, and they've had to rebuild it.
Yes.
So you got to get the right person that you trust.
Yeah, I've got a bloke that's been a mechanic for 40 years around there somewhere.
Perfect.
Yeah. And he does, and all he works on is the old cars.
Yep.
And you go down to his workshop, he's got, sometimes there'll be 4 or 5 Mustangs at his workshop all the time.
Sweet. So, so he knows what he's doing.
Yes. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome, mate. Well, look, thanks talking to us at Aussie Garage, mate. And yeah, we'll get this up online and go from there.
All right then, cheers. Everybody have a happy new year.
Yeah, that's it, buddy. Thanks, buddy.
Thanks a lot.
Awesome. Yeah, that's wicked, mate.